so in love with you. You got me down again.
So I'm getting a little close. I apologize for the audio on this clip because this is the end of this project. I'm not gonna show you guys any more of it getting, like what's getting sold or whatnot. There's no real point. So it is an end of an era. I've been doing the Grom thing for, well, since 2014 and started a company, sold the company. I've had 4 Groms. 3 or 4 Groms, 4, 5 maybe? I don't know. I've had plenty. And I just need a break. I've been doing motorcycle stuff since 2002, 2003 range. So this will be the first time, this is the first time I haven't had 2 wheels to ride. It makes me anxious because it's always been that little thing that's got me through hard times. If I really needed anything or something, as soon as the weather got nice, I would just hop on the bike and it would just give me a great release and I'd feel better. But I don't have that with that anymore. I have other ways of coping with anxiety and just things in life. So that's the great thing, is this is just a temporary situation. I didn't necessarily want to get rid of it, but to be an adult and to be smart and to eventually own a home, I needed to do a credit build. So that's one of the other builds that I'm doing right now, is my credit. I wanted to purchase a car so I could not have car payments anymore. Granted, that kind of impacts your credit in a negative way, but it doesn't at the same time. So I'm definitely planning on getting all my credit just like all excellent. Like right now it's good. I just want it on the excellent side so I can purchase a home. But I'm rambling. I really appreciate that you guys have supported all the bike content and all the traveling and all the stuff that I've done. And don't worry, it is not disappearing at all. I have plenty of other friends with bikes, so there will be moto vlogs and stuff over on my personal page. There's not gonna be bike content for my own bikes for a little while, which is fine. But trust me when I say this, the bike build that I have in my head that I'm hoping that I can do this year is gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna get interesting. I will be getting a scooter, hence why I kept the wheels and the brakes. You know, I can't get all the way out, but it's gonna be a little bit. So just have some patience with me on the bike stuff on my side. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can drop a comment down below. You can hit me up on Instagram, Facebook. I'm always available. So I'm sorry that this content didn't come out fast enough to where you guys could purchase some of the stuff, but you never know, it may have some little trinkets from stuff that you see here. So don't try and message me about stuff that you don't see on this table, but there could be a couple things, because I'm not gonna sell stuff for so cheap that I lose out on mine. Anyways, that's the end of this whole series and build and everything on my 2017 Grom. I officially do not own it. The frame went to somebody local and they are super happy. I almost want to cry just to like shed a tear and like show that it kind of means something to me, but I can't build one up to do it. Oh, I've never mentioned this. I bought a one wheel. I got it last year at the end of the year. This thing's pretty dope. As you can see, it's already beat up on. So this is what gets my wheelie fixed, because it's one wheel. It's on, you know, I'm always doing a wheelie, yeah. So anyways, I will see you in the next video. The content is not going anywhere. Don't be thirsty. Stay hungry. Later.